Take a deep breath. Did you know that the air you breathe is not what it used to be? Air quality index in most of our cities has crossed the danger mark. The real threat is closer than you think. It surrounds you all the time, slowly but surely poisoning your system. Most of us have found ourselves out of breath while doing the things we love, like playing a game of cricket or going for a walk in a park. Even a regular day at work or the daily routine just feels longer and leaves you exhausted. Oxygen is the essence of life, and it is our primary source of energy. It's a well-known fact that air pollution lowers the oxygen levels in our body. There is more reason today than ever before for a safe, effective, and permanent solution. It's time to refresh your life. Introducing Oxy 99, your new daily companion, anytime, anywhere. Oxy 99 is India's first ultra-portable oxygen supplement, and it is as easy as breathing the air around you. It works instantly by restoring the oxygen level in your body to normal, giving you back the energy and vitality you need to keep living your life to the fullest. Oxy 99 can be used daily to give your body and mind the boost it needs to improve cognitive performance. It improves your energy levels to have a more active life. Keep Oxy 99 handy to help you recover from breathlessness and suffocation caused by asthma, smoking, stale air, and poorly ventilated rooms. It will help you boost stamina and endurance during workouts and enable you to quickly recover from fatigue if you're out of breath during fitness training. Oxy 99 is a must at high altitudes in mountainous areas where the level of oxygen in the air is much lower, making it harder to breathe. It's the ultimate pollution defense. Use Oxy 99 as a daily supplement to boost your immunity and protect against toxic elements in the air. Oxy 99 can act as a first aid in medical emergencies. It immediately helps to increase the oxygen levels in the critical moments when the body needs more oxygen while you're waiting for medical help to arrive. Oxy 99 is for everyone. Oxy 99 is for life. The cells in your body need oxygen to function, which comes from the air around us through the lungs. When oxygen levels are low due to poor surroundings or health conditions, then our body becomes sick and may show one of these symptoms. Here's how it's used. Hold the Oxy 99 can around an inch from your nose or mouth. The first time you use it, there may be some resistance, so press the trigger firmly to spray a short burst of oxygen while breathing deeply for 1 to 2 seconds. Repeat these steps 4 to 5 times or as required. Place your fingertip into the device so the oximeter can calculate the oxygen saturation percentage in your body. The normal oxygen levels in the body range from 96 to 99%. If the oxygen level is 95 or lower, then you have an acute shortage of oxygen. You need to keep in mind lifestyle, sleeping pattern, and stress affect our oxygen levels every day, which is why you need to monitor it and use Oxy 99 regularly. Use it till the oxygen level touches 99%. Sometimes emergencies can happen when you least expect them. So if you find yourself or others in a serious medical condition, don't panic. While medical help arrives, you can always administer oxygen by connecting the Oxy 99 can to the standard oxygen breathing mask using this connecting tube. Improve your quality of life with Oxy 99, pure natural oxygen. It's as easy as breathing the air around you. Oxy 99 is ultra portable and doesn't pretend to clean the air around you, as air purifiers claim to do. Most people have not benefited from air purifiers as they do not increase the oxygen levels in the body, nor do they stop toxic gases like carbon monoxide from entering the body. The US Environmental Protection Agency states that many air purifiers do indeed generate ozone gases. In other words, air purifiers are glorified vacuum cleaners. So replace your air purifiers with breathing pure natural oxygen.